I would like to talk about the character as a mosaic. Do you ever find yourself stuck as an actor with how to move forward with a more difficult character? Sometimes shifting your approach can help, and drawing inspiration from other art forms can help a lot. In this video, I will help you shift your mindset about the process of building a character using the principles of the Mosaic arts. Some characters come to us effortlessly. We read the script and the layers unfold with ease and with clarity. The voice of the character jumps off the page and is vivid. The struggles are familiar, and we step into the shoes of the character with eagerness and excitement. It's moments like these that acting feels like magic, and when we truly feel aligned with our craft. But what happens if it's not so easy? What if a new role suddenly leaves you adrift and you're searching for direction with no clear path in sight? These moments can feel isolating and disheartening, yet they hold immense potential. When we hang in there, when we stay committed, these difficult roles can sometimes yield the most rewarding discoveries. The process may take time, but the potential growth that it offers is profound. So what do you do first when you find yourself in front of a difficult character? Start small. But where do you start? Many seasoned actors and master teachers offer similar advice. Find one small truth, one detail that resonates with you about the character. That's your first piece. And it's inspiring to think about that first piece as your first piece of glass that you're going to build into your mosaic art piece. A mosaic is something that is crafted from tiny, seemingly unrelated fragments. Glass, stone, ceramic. They're all carefully placed to form a larger, cohesive whole. Building a character is very much the same. Every layer you explore, every choice you make, adds another piece to the picture. August Wilson, one of the great playwrights of our time, once said a similar thing about his writing process, that he generally starts with one piece of dialogue. He doesn't even know what the play is about yet, and doesn't even know what the rest of the characters are going to be, but he hears the character speak in his mind, and it's one sentence, and he takes that little piece and he writes it down, and then he begins to really ask the character that spoke questions. And piece by piece, the story unfolds, the characters unfolds, and he writes a whole entire play. It is a very profound way to look at the creative process, and it can apply to the acting process as well. So when you find yourself in a challenging creative process with a very challenging character, it is crucial to hang in there. If you can find that first small, tiny piece that makes sense to you, if you can find that one little thing to connect to, if you hang in there and see the process through, it will come together. There will be times when the path is unclear, when you feel like you're fumbling in the dark and you're not sure how to move forward. Trust the process. Find your first piece. Place it with care and with trust, and then another, and then another. And before you know it, something remarkable happens. Something begins to take shape. A character with depth, history, and a truth starts to emerge. Maybe not all at once, but piece by piece. And when your mosaic is finally complete, you'll look back and you'll remember that every artistic journey is different, but it was the journey that got you there. So hang in there. Keep piecing it together. Great characters aren't found as finished products. They're built one piece at a time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.